So over here, you can see that I have a project right here. And if I were to go around over here onto the project panel, then I can go around and expand this. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, this very video right here, then I can select the in and out point of this video even before I bring it over here onto the main area. So to do that, you can go around and then, let's say, for example, go on, click on the three dot icon right here and click on open. And then you get onto the preview area, as you can see. So this is a video clip with music, as you can see right here. And what I can do is I can, let's say, select out the portion of the video right here, just like this. And you can also go and scrub around or go to the end of the video and so forth, go to the next video or previous video from over here as well. And once you have selected out the in and out point like this, you can simply click and drag around the video clip over here and keep it inside. And only the portion that you selected comes like this. So you can go around over here, as you can see, and then work around with the video over here. So now once I click on that icon, it goes back, as you can see right here, and you can do the same with other footages over here as well. So that is how you can work around with the project panel preview area inside of Adobe Premiere Rush. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.